Hi there, I welcome you all to a very new video about COVID-19 and its vaccines. In this video, we're gonna see what, how, why and where. How can you escape from it? Part 1. So what is a corona? The name corona is derived from Latin word corona meaning crown or wreath. Since the structure of virus is like a crown, it was named as corona. What is a coronavirus? Coronavirus is a type of RNA virus which caused disease called COVID-19. These viruses causes disease in animals and birds. The most recent common ancestor of all coronaviruses is estimated to have existed as recently as 8000 BCE, although some models place the common ancestor as far back as 55 million years or more, implying long-term coevolution with bat and avian species. The earliest reports of coronavirus infection in animals occurred in the late 1920s in North America with mortality rates of 40 to 90%. Human coronaviruses were discovered in the 1960s in United Kingdom and United States. Since then, several human coronaviruses like SARS in 2003 and MERS in 2019 were identified. Later, scientists cultivated these viruses as research and discovered several human coronaviruses, but all were inactivated. So what is COVID-19? CO stands for corona and V stands for virus and D stands for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 NCOV. The COVID-19 virus is a new virus linked to the same family of viruses as severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS and some type of common cold which occurred between 2002 to 2004. Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 is a contagious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. The first case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The disease has since spread worldwide, leading to an ongoing pandemic as we all know. The first known human infections were in Wuhan, Hubei, China, with first 41 cases of confirmed COVID-19 as of 1st December 2019. According to Chinese sources, the first infected case was from a seafood market in Wuhan. During the early stage of outbreak, the number of cases doubled approximately every 7.5 days. By December 2019, the spread was almost entirely by human-to-human transmission. On 31st January 2020, Italy had its first confirmed cases, 2 tourists from China. By 26 March, the United States had overtaken China and Italy with the highest number of confirmed cases in the world. So how did it spread? The exact source of spread of corona to human is not known, but some researchers have proved that the transmission took place when people ate infected bats as food. Some researchers also say that it could have spread through other animals, but there is no strong proof. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 spreads from person to person mainly through the respiratory route after an infected person coughs, sneezes, sings, talks, or breathes. A new infection occurs when virus-containing particles exhaled by an infected person, either respiratory droplets or aerosols, get into their mouth, nose, or eyes of other people who are in close contact with the infected person. The closer the people interact and longer they interact, the more likely they are to transmit COVID-19. Although it is considered possible, there is no direct evidence of virus being transmitted by skin-to-skin contact. The virus is not known to spread through feces, urine, breast milk, food, wastewater, drinking water, or via animal disease vectors, although some animals can contract the virus from humans. It very rarely transmits from mother to baby during pregnancy. A person who is infected can transmit the virus to others up to 2 days before they themselves show symptoms, and even if symptoms never appear. So, you can pause the video to look how the coronavirus started spreading around the world. So, what are its symptoms? On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. Common symptoms include headache, loss of smell and taste, nasal congestion and rhinorrhea, cough, muscle pain, sore throat, fever, diarrhea, and breathing difficulties. People with the same infection may have different symptoms, and their symptoms may change over time. Most people, that is 81%, develop mild to moderate symptoms, while 14% develop severe symptoms, and 5% of patients suffer critical symptoms. So, how dangerous is the virus? Although for most people, COVID-19 causes only mild illness, it can make some people very ill. More rarely, the disease can be fatal. Older people and those with pre-existing medical conditions such as high blood pressure, heart problems or diabetes appear to be more vulnerable. Most people who have coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 recover completely within a few weeks, but some people, even those who had mild variations of disease, continue to experience symptoms after their initial recovery. Coronavirus also causes organ failure, causing infections in heart, lungs, and brain leading to death. Still, long-term effects of COVID-19 are not known and is under research. As per recent researchers, it is said that COVID-19 affects in lungs in maximum. In critical COVID-19, about 5% of total cases, the infection can damage the walls and linings of the air sacs in your lungs. With this, I will end this part 1 video. In part 2 video, I will tell you about the vaccines and how can you escape from it. If you like this video, do not forget to share to your friends so that they might know what the COVID-19 is. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to drop your comments. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video, that is part 2.